candy bar in one hand and a bright apple in the other, I hold them up like they're about to race. But the moment I wiggle them, it feels like they're both trying to grab your attention. So I lean in and whisper that the real battle isn't about which one looks cooler. It's about what happens after you take that first bite. Which means the candy hits fast and loud like fireworks and you feel that pop of fun. But the apple rolls in steady, giving you that quiet power that lasts way longer. So I switch hands and imagine them cheering for you. Because they know you get to choose how your energy plays out today. Which means the real pick isn't sweet or healthy. It's how you want to feel in the next hour. And that's why your choice right now tells its own story. So tell me your pick in the comments.